Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss with you the sales editor and how to change the layout to add new columns and different types of features to make it more customizable to what you find more important. So firstly, we'll lock ourselves in, go over to stock, go to stock manager, and as you can see there are columns here, there's property products down here, and there are product search criteria down here. So to change all this around, we can go to layout, edit customize current layout, and then you've got these three different sections here. So the table fields is this area here, property fields is this area here, and search fields is this area here. Now with the search and property fields, they are a disable and enable type system. So for example, in the search fields, what I might do is I might never want to see supplier cost as a search field, so I can disable that one, and I may never want to use search keyword as string, get rid of that one. Property fields, nip over to that one. There might be a few here, properties that I might never want to see, I'm never that interested in, so I'll rather clean it up and make it a bit more easier for me. So at the moment, as you can see, I've disabled barcode and notes. Then maybe I might never want to see, for example, I don't know, the quantity, so get rid of that from there, like so. And table fields, this is where you can add a lot more columns to the system. So what we can do, if you click on add, you can see there's a massive list here of all different types of columns you can actually add. So today I'm going to add in total loss sold in the last 7 days. So okay, so I'll go for that one. I'll accept that, throw that in there like so. Let's throw another one in as well. 14 days, pop that in there, and let's add the last one for good measure. Okay, if you ever want to change any of these actual titles, you can click on these buttons here and you can physically change them like so. So if I get rid of that, accept, that's now changed. You can also change the width as well by pressing on here as well, in case you ever want to make the column longer. Generally speaking, the default ones should be perfectly fine, but if you ever want to increase them, you can. There's also these two big arrows here. Now these arrows allow you to physically move the columns around to where you prefer them. Pop that back down there like so. There's also these two buttons here that have fit or fill depending on the actual size of the information, but you can use that if you wish, or you can just customize and give it the exact width that you want to give it. So once all these are all set and you're happy with it all, let's close this field down here, and then the stock editor will have a refresh. As you can see, these three new columns have been added. The areas there that I got rid of have now disappeared. Same for this section here as well. So let us get some stock in here, give it a bit of a search, and there you go. As you can see all those different three columns I added in, and obviously you can add on a lot more as well if need be. These tabs up here can also be pulled out as well, so there might be certain things you want to be able to see straight away on the same screen. So what I can do is I can physically pull, for example, the statistics out here like so, and I might want to attach it to this side here. Let's give that a little stretch out like so. So now I can physically go down and cycle through all my items, and the statistics will change based on obviously my actual numbers sold, etc. If you ever want to put it back, literally all you need to do is drag it back out, place it back in the middle like so, and it pops back up here as well. So obviously, as you can see, you can actually pop it all over the place. You can pop it down here, this side, or this side, so you can customize it exactly how you prefer. And there you have it. It's one way to customize your stock editor. You can also save these layouts as well. So you can click on Save Layout. You can give it a quick name. So let's just call that Test. That layout is now saved. So if you ever want to load that layout, you can click on Load Layout. And there you have it. The default one's always there. Then you've got a saved one there as well. So you might want to load a slightly different one on your back office compared to your till. You can also delete the layouts, restore layouts back to default. You can also set as default as well. And there you have it. I do hope this tutorial has been nice and easy and quick for you. Thank you very much for watching. Check us out next time. Thank you.